In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Patreon receipts and billing history. We'll walk through the exact path to get to your receipts, along with a few tips to make sure you're in the right place and looking at the right account. By the end, you'll know where to see your past charges, which creator they're for, and how much you were billed. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Patreon. In your search results, look for the official Patreon site. Before you click, double-check that the link points to the legitimate patreon.com domain. This quick check helps you avoid look-alike sites. Go ahead and click the official Patreon link to open the homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your account credentials and complete any two-factor authentication you may have enabled. If you have more than one Patreon account, make sure you sign in with the email that's tied to the memberships you want to review. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing your member profile, not a creator dashboard. If you have both a member and creator profile on the same account, look for a profile switcher, usually accessible from your profile picture or name, and select your member view. Your receipts and billing history live on the member side. From the left-hand navigation menu, click Settings. This opens your account settings area where you can manage details like your profile, notifications, and payment information. At the top of the settings page, you'll see a menu bar with several tabs. Select Billing History. This is the dedicated page where Patreon lists your past charges and payment activity. Your billing history will appear with clear details, including the date of each charge, the amount, and the creator it was for. You'll typically see a status indicator as well, successful, pending, or declined, so you can quickly understand what went through and what might need attention. If you're supporting multiple creators or have been a member for a long time, use any available filters or pagination to move through your history. For individual transactions, you can usually open the receipt to view more details and print or save it as a PDF for your records. If something doesn't look familiar, check that you're on the correct account and that your filters aren't limiting results. If a payment shows as declined, update your payment method in settings and then return to your billing history to retry. And if you still can't find a receipt you expect to see, reach out to Patreon support for help. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find your Patreon receipts and billing history.